Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to be rebuilding the fronts of my E88'S right there. We've already gone ahead and taken apart the lips from the faces, from the inner barrels, and then over in that big box on the bottom are the new lips. So the main reason that I'm going to be rebuilding them is just because the front two lips are actually bent. Not sure how. I drove the car a couple days after I got the wheels, and then left for about 3 weeks to go on vacation. And when I got back, I took the car on the freeway and it started wobbling, and I thought it was the alignment or maybe the balancing of the wheels. So then I went and got the car realigned, rebalanced, and then took it out on the freeway again around 60 miles, 70 miles an hour. It started shaking, and I took them back. They unmounted the wheels and then found out that the outer lips were actually bent. So yeah, it is what it is. Don't know how that happened, but yeah, we're gonna start reassembling the wheels and putting them back together. So let's go ahead and open up the box that we got from BBS America. Alright, so we got the box right here. This will probably be the worst unboxing everybody's ever seen, but it is what it is. Like I mentioned, this is from BBS America. Shout out to Eric over there. Eric is a huge help in getting these. I ordered them, I think, maybe less than a week ago. So got here super fast. So let's see. Boom. Got the first lip right there. Brand new stickers as well, front and back polished lip. Looks freaking amazing, way better than the other ones. Have the other polished lip looking super awesome. So we're just gonna go ahead and unpack all this stuff, and then I'm gonna show you guys the process of what it's like to put these back together. Alright, so going through the packaging, we have brand new bolts for the wheels, brand new valve stems. They had recommended, I don't even know the last time the valve stems on these were replaced, so I went ahead and got those. And then we also have the washers for all or the front two rims at least. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with putting all this stuff together. Alright, so I went ahead and assembled all the washers with the bolts. And now I'm just going through and clearing off all the rubber that is on the inner barrels. So yeah, here's a quick time lapse of me just going through and cleaning it and making sure that everything's good. So now that we got the wheels prepped, I'm gonna go ahead and real quick just go ahead and take off this valve stem and then put on the brand new one that BBS sent over. Alright, so now that we have our new valve stem on, we're just gonna go ahead real quick and install the valve stem as well as the TPMS back into the lips. Valve stem is back in right here, and then TPMS on the back. So now it's time to go ahead and start building them. Alright, so now I have the wheel all sandwiched together. I went ahead and put a couple bolts in just to make sure everything lines up and it is as flush as can be on this. So now I'm just going to go through and hand tighten all these bolts and then get my inch-pound torque bar and torque it to 155 inch-pound, and then these should be good to go, and then I'm ready to start on the next ones. Alright, so I just went through with my inch-pound torque bar and just torqued all the star pattern. So this wheel is good to go. And then I'm gonna move on to the next one and basically just do the exact same thing all over again. All right, so first things first, we're gonna go ahead and put our centers right there and then drop on the inner barrel right on top of those. Grab our new lip and then also grab our new metal O-ring, all that. So just line up all the holes with that one, and then lip goes right on top of that. Make sure that the holes are all lined up as well. Alright, everything is lined up for this, and then basically all we're gonna do is just bring through the face and then tighten it down with one bolt just so that it's not like just free hanging, and then go through in a star pattern and hand tighten all of the bolts and then torque all them down, and then we should be good for the final part. Alright, so I just got done torquing down the bolts on the last rim, and here are how they look right now. They look like literally brand new. The lighting in here is horrible, so it makes it seem like they're super yellow. But these things, I mean, just putting them next to these, which, I mean, it makes that look really good, but in person it's a complete different thing. And these wouldn't be BBS if I didn't put the new stickers that they supplied me with. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these on and show you guys what they look like afterwards. Alright, boom. So we got the stickers on both of them now. They gave me like 15 stickers, but I honestly think it looks best with just 2 on them. I might switch them to 4, but I think that's doing too much, honestly. Let me know down in the comments if you guys think I should put more on these, but I think 2 is good enough. It's, you know, it's as if the wheel's facing one way, the wheel's facing the other way, there's going to be a sticker showing somewhere. So overall, this actually wasn't super hard, and it makes me want to rebuild my rears. There's nothing wrong with my rears other than the fact that the lips are just like super dirty. But like, for how easy this was, either I did it wrong or they're actually not too hard to put on. And when I had talked to the sales rep on the phone, he had told me, he's like, I build a bunch of these every single day. It's not super hard to do. So hopefully I did them right. I'm gonna get them remounted on the tires, put them back on the car. I don't know if I said this before, but I ordered 3-inch lips and I had 2.5-inch lips before, and these were already 18 by 10. So now they're 18 by 10 and a half. So we're gonna have to see if these are too hot boy or not. And if they're not too hot boy, I'm gonna keep them. If they are too hot boy, then I'm just gonna probably take these lips off, order 2.5s, and sell these ones on the forums somewhere. But yeah, I'll do an update video showing them back on the car, and we should be able to see, you know, maybe, I don't know, they might be too stretched. That's like another 1/2 inch, which doesn't sound like a lot, but like, I feel like when it comes to wheels, a 1/2 inch is like a lot of room. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stick around for the update when these get mounted on the car. See you guys later.